Myself Megha Manilal, UR15 CS34, and this is an HTML code to create a simple web page. In HTML language, to create a web page, first we have to contain a HTML tag, then a head tag to include the heading of the web page. Here I am given as experiment 1. When we are opening this HTML tag, at the end of the code we have to close this tag as well. So at the end here I am closing the HTML tag. So whenever we are opening a tag, we have to close this tag if it is a container tag. There are two types of tag: container tag and empty tag. In container tag, we are including the contents. For example, for HTML tag and head tag, here inside the opening and closing tag I am writing content, so this is a container tag. Break and all is an empty tag because there is no contents included. So after that we have to include the contents inside the body tag. So in the web page, if you want to give a background color, we have to use style command. So inside this body I am giving style equal to background color. Here I have given the color pale golden rod. And after that, for the heading of the web page, here I am choosing the topic as tourism of India. So it is included in head tag H1, and there are 6 headings from H1 to H6. H1 will be the bigger one and H6 will be the smallest. So here I want to align the content, that is the heading, in the center. So I have given align center. Then here span is used, span style. It is to give the here in the heading there are 3 words: tourism of India. So if you want to particularly highlight a single word in a column, we are giving here span style. So for the tourism word I am given orange and of blue, and the other India as green. Here I am opening the H1, and at the end I am closing the H1 as well as the span tag, since I am opening the span here. And if I want here I am using an anchor tag a href. This is to call another web page. So here I am referring through this link, I am referring to another web page or an image, etc. So if you want to give an image, you have to use image src, and the image is saved as monsoon.jpg. The height of the image is given as 500 and width is given as 100%. So when the page is zoomed out or zoomed in, it will be, the width will be of 100%, and it contains another element alt. This is if the image is not available, it will display image not found. For that we are giving the alt. Here I am opening the anchor tag, and here I am closing it. I am here using a clickable image. So when I am click the image, the image will link to another website. Here I am given the address of the another website. So when I am clicking the image, it will refer to this address. Here I am using division tag. Division is used to separate the contents of the web page, or to group the contents of the web page into a single division. Inside division we can use para tag. This is to divide the contents of paragraph inside the division tag. In this division tag, first here there are mainly 3 sections I have created. For the section 1 I have given the heading in red color. It is of H2 size, so it will be smaller than the main heading. And here I am used another 4 sub anchor tags to give external link, internal link, to contact through mail ID and telephone. Here when I am giving anchor tag target navigate to conservation, when navigate to conservation is clicked, it will go to this web page, Touropia website, and here this is an internal link, or we are creating the web page internally in this in HTML. Here I am using next.html, so that web page is I have created here. So when we are creating clicking on next.html, the control goes to that web page, and this is to contact through mail ID. This is the format, mail to, and we have to give the mail ID. When mail me is clicked, it will open here. This is to contact using telephone. So when contact us is clicked, the call will be placed through Skype or some other way. And inside here there is para, so different here I am using 3 paragraphs will be displayed. And here this is the section 2. Inside section 2 I have used list. There are 3 types of list: ordered, unordered, and definition list. This is the definition list. This is the format DL. DL tag should be opened and closed. Inside, the word will be given inside DT, and the definition will be included inside DD. Here I am used 2 definitions, and ordered list will be represented using OL tag. Here OL tag, here I am using a nested tag. So inside OL there is subdivisions: visa, policy of India, and in that there are 3 unordered lists. So visa, policy of India, and statistics will be inside order tag, like 1, 2, 3, etc. And this will be given simply using any other unordered, like square, circle, disc, etc. And inside this I am using again ordered list for statistics. Here I have given start equal to 1 and type equal to A. So when A is given, it will start from A, B, C, and at last it is closed over here. And this is the section 3. In section 3 I am creating a table. It contains the board. It will start using a table tag. This is the table tag. This is opened here, and at the end it is closed. When border equal to 1 with 60% is given, the border will be created, and the width of the table will be 60% of the web page. And this is the caption of the table: foreign tourist arrivals. This is the table contains head, row, and the data. So heading of the rows will be given inside the T head, TH, rank, country, and number. That is the first row, and it is closed over here. And the body of the table, first it is head and the body, and there are a row and headings. In the body there is the values of the row. It is given inside TR, and the data inside the rows will be given inside TD. So the first row value will be 1, then United States, etc. And here I am using a row span. So for 3 rows, if there are a single value, you can include or type inside row span. So row span is to span any number of rows, that is to merge number of rows. And there is similarly column span. If there are there you want to give a value for the 3 columns of some any number of columns together, you can use using column span. And if you want to align inside the column in a particular position, suppose if it is in center, you can give using text align center. Here I am using this inside the foot of the table. And this HR, it is an empty tag to give a line inside the web page. And this ahref, here go to section 1, go to section 2, go to section 3. This is when we are clicking on section 1, the page control goes to that section. if we are in section 3, if we click on section 1, the page will be moved to section 1. For that we are referring to section 1, for that we are giving has S1. Here in section 1 we are giving the ID of section 1 as S1. so when we are clicking on this anchor tag section 1, the section 1 will be displayed. This is the HTML code. Now we can see the web page. This is the web page I have created. Here since using span, we have created 3 words as different colors: orange, blue and green. And since it is of 100%, the image width is 100%. If I zoom in the image or zoom out the image, it will be displayed of 100%. This is the section 1, section 2 and section 3. In section 1, if I click on navigate to conservation, a new web page will be loaded as turopia.com. that will be displayed. And if I click on go to next, the next .html web page which I have created will be displayed. And mail me, the mail will be opened. The mail ID will be opened, and for contact us, the call will be placed. Now since I have used paragraph tag, the contents is divided into 3 paragraphs. Mail is when I have clicked on mail, the mail will be opened using Google Chrome, Mail or Microsoft Outlook. And in section 2 there is a definition, Kolkata and Delhi. This is the definition tag, and this is the nested tag. This is ordered list, and this is unordered list. Here I have didn't mention a particular type, so default it is showing as circle. And in the section 3, this is the table. The heading of the table is foreign tourist arrival. These are the rank, country, number are the head, and these are the rows. The inside we have contents, that is data, and here this is rows span. 3 rows are merged together, and this is the footer of the tag. If I am clicking on, this is the line we have created using HR empty tag. When I am clicking on section 1, it will go to the section 1, and when I am clicking on H2, it will go to section 3, section 2, and go to section 3 is clicked, the control goes to section 3. To host this, here I am using webhost.com. In webhost.com, here I have uploaded my files, and finally I have hosted in the using the file manager. I am hosted, and the web page is available in the ID. Web page is available. This is my web page. Thank you.